in touch with, or like the community to impact the decision from the federal government to lower those prices? Because, me and my fiance, we both work full-time. She's a computer scientist, and we can't afford a house here, and we won't be able to. So while I understand, there's not much we can do, and that is a federal problem, do you think community impact can help that case? Because I want to stay here. I love Pittsburgh. But eventually, I do want a house, and maybe that's where Lee and Sanford come into place, and maybe the younger generations move out there if we can afford it. But I don't know. I feel like we could do more to try and, as a community, fix that. I don't know.
I mean, Kirk's right. A lot of the infrastructure that we've lived off for 50 years was paid for by the federal government in the 70s, and that's gone away. Certainly, talking to your elected officials about the fact that, hey, this costs a lot of money, and it costs a lot of money everywhere. It's not just unique to Lee and Chatham County. And is there a way to help support that through some sort of federal program which would redistribute money? It can't hurt, I can tell you that. But, how much of an impact it makes, I mean, there's a lot of competing interests there, so I'm not exactly sure how much it helps, but I don't think it could hurt in any way, shape, or form. Even your local meaning state level at that point. But Kirk's exactly right. We've been very lucky to get a lot of grants and low interest loans, and all of it really helps to keep some of the prices down.